Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the FEITIAN Multipass K32 USB security key for your two-factor authentications. And let's see what's inside this box. So this is the opening of the box, and inside there is a black tab so we can pull out. And this is the security key right here. So there's nothing in this box except this key. Okay, they're actually quite small, not that big. So I'm going to zoom in. So you can see it's this small. So you can open it. This is a USB-C. So when you open the cap, it actually have a kind of like a band that's holding this together. I'm not sure if the band is of good quality or not, because it looks like it's already starting to break out of the box. So while the band is great for holding it in, but it doesn't look like it's going to last long. As you can see, there's already sign of breaking it apart. It doesn't really matter. So you can plug this security key directly into your computer. Now at the moment, a lot of the computer doesn't have USB-C port, so if you're going to use this one, you're going to need to get an adapter, or on some newer computer like a MacBook Pro, they probably have a USB-C that you can plug this device directly into the computer. Otherwise, you can pair it with a USB-A key. So here we got a security key Ubiquitous, and it is USB-A. So you can plug this into an older computer. Okay, so back to this FEITIAN Multipass K32. It's got NFC. You can plug directly into the computer with USB-C, and it's also got Bluetooth. So there are 3 different ways how you can authenticate your account using this security key. So this device works with a different number of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and it works with Chrome browser, Firefox, and you do not need a driver for this. They are small, portable, and it also have a hole that you can hook it up to your keys. So you can hook it up to your keychain, and with this, it can help protect your online account. Now this device can work with Google authentication, so Google account authentications, Microsoft KeePass, and other services. So a lot of different services will allow you to use this device to authenticate. So for example, if you are using iOS or Android, you can authenticate via Bluetooth. And if you are using a Windows computer, you will need to plug this device directly into a computer. And when you need to authenticate, you can press on the button to authenticate. Now there are 3 different lights on this device. The first lighting indicator is the authentication indicator, and the next one is the Bluetooth indicator, and the last one is the charging indicator. And whenever you need to authenticate, or whenever a program or a computer account asks you to authenticate, you can either plug this one into a computer or use Bluetooth and just press on the button to confirm your presence. And that's it. So that is unboxing, and that is all you get inside. There is no user menu. If you want, you need to go online and look for a user menu and find out how you can use this device. Now to charge this security key, we need to use a USB-C charger. So here I'm going to plug it into here. So we open this one up and we plug it directly into here, and you can see now it is charging. So the light indicator is on with an orange light, and it is indicating it is charging at the moment. And that's it, guys. If you set up this correctly, you should have no problem authenticating your account with this device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.